Well, that just shows that other gimbal's a lot. Because this one works fine.
Good. I'm glad it. Oh,
Oh.
Jesus, sorry. I'm glad it does.
Just go, that goes to show that other gimbal's a load of crap.
Yeah.
Oh, farm already. Pardon me. We can go up here first, don't we? Well, it's showing sign going up here, that's all I'm saying.
What's the sign going all the way now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
I thought that were real there.
Huh.
Sheep, eh?
Oh. Sheeps. Oh yeah.
They're fatties, aren't they?
Really?
They'll all be in lamb. They'll be ready to lamb just after Christmas.
It's springtime.
That one's a bit lumpy on one side. Baby must be at the other side.
I can't, we can't stop around. It's only got 20% battery for some strange reason. I charged this up overnight. And this is the first time I've turned it on. Apparently I've only got 20% battery. Android sucks. That horse is big.
It's like a Clydesdale. I don't know if it is or not. Just looking at hairy feet. They're tickling each other with lips.
Oh.
They're all licking.
Bless.
These are cute, aren't they?
Yeah.
I just thought reindeers were eight big. They're like little things, aren't they?
These these might just be little ones.
No, they are a small creature.
Right.
They're not elusive.
Ooh.
That's what I thought. Plenty of bedding, I'll give them that. You have to go now. Animal house.
Yeah.
Mammal house, should I say. Oh, cute. disorientated when I walked in here, isn't it? Nice and warm though. What's that thing? A rat.
Is that a snake in that one?
Yeah. Where?
Or is it a piece of wood? That's a piece of wood. I thought it was a snake, it's a piece of wood.
Some rats in there.
Pardon?
Rats in there.
Oh yeah.
On top of wood. Fishes? Cavy. Guinea pigs are cavies.
What? No, can't speak. Is that why they're always crawling at floor when made it in the thingy?
I
Oh.
can't see them though. Must be you did.
Guinea pigs at our house are always crawling at floor.
Yeah. Grass rat. There's a rubber rat. Jesus, that made me jump then.
Oh, is it an otter?
Is it what?
Is it an otter?
I don't know what it is. It says, no, I don't know what it says.
Either a beaver or an otter.
Neither. They always do water, there's no water from there. That crawling up wall there.
Oh yeah.
Cactus mouse. Oh, they're cute.
I see they piped in some sounds from it.
Cricket. Oh shit, jeez. Oh, look at these two little babas. Striped grass mouse.
Heard some in shed.
What's in there?
No idea. Probably asleep or something.
Some more creepy funny and scary today. Couple of lollipops in that one.
Yeah.
I've got more than that. Oh, look, we've got more than that. Oh no, there's another under there. Oh. That one? Got a quid. Plenty of room, haven't they? First chomping.
It's a guinea pig, Bella.
Lovely, aren't they?
So it tastes.
What's it trying to do?
Well, I think we know what it's trying to do. Yes, and two tortoises are very happy.
And they went out that door to fire exit. Look at that one digging. They're cute, aren't they?
Yeah.
Hopping mouse. Oh, I like them. Oh,
Can you?
me.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Yeah, they don't fit it racing on that.
Yeah.
Tiny little telly in his house.
Sonia! Out here, innit?
As soon as you come here, someone.
Yeah. If they're out.
Yeah, they might be out away, it's cold.
Yeah.
Out of shape then.
Goat down at the bottom there. Whew.
Oh, piss. It's a goat.
Yeah, I said that. Says the goat down there. Says the goat down there. Let's see if it comes out again. No, don't want to. Oh, there you go. Feet.
Smells of
No, not yet. It ain't.
Or is it supposed to?
Oh, no. Usually it does around winter time.
Look what it's on right now. It's better.
I think this place goes on for quite a bit.
Yeah.